Hi, I'm Joe Correa with USGBC, and I'm here with Marty Grohman of GAF. Marty, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Joe.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You have an incredible milestone. You just certified your headquarters to V4, Lead V4.
Yeah.
Tell us about that experience.
Yeah, so our headquarters in Parsippany, New Jersey, we just certified, and something we're very proud of and want to announce here at the show is that we included the Resilient Design Credit. In fact, we're the first project in the world to attain that new pilot credit under version 4 called Resilient Design.
That's fantastic. And how was the experience with V4? Any challenges? How did it allow you to overcome any challenges?
You know, we've been pretty involved with version 4 since its initial development, and it was challenging. I'll be straightforward, but we expect it to be challenging, and I think as we've gone through that process, we've benefited from it. I mean, looking specifically at the Resilient Design Credit, it's about disaster readiness, and it really pushed us to get all of our preparedness materials, where the gas shutoff valves are, what are the plans for contacting authorities, get all that information in one place. So really, actually, we found that to be a pretty rewarding experience.
Oh, that's fantastic. Can you talk to me a little bit about GAF's efforts around sustainability and how LEED sort of plays into your vision of sustainability?
Yeah, for sure. So my job title is Director of Sustainability, so I coordinate all of our efforts in and out of the company. That means facing the market and also across our 26 plants. So I think that LEED has really moved the market for us. One of the things that we do is offer our employees training, the LEED GA training. That's something that people benefit from. And also all of our professional roofing contractors that are affiliated with us, we offer them that training as well.
Oh, that's fantastic. So the roofing industry, waste is a challenge in this industry. Can you talk to me a little bit about some new initiatives that GAF is working on or has instituted?
Sure. The roofing industry is a great industry, and I'm really proud to be part of it. And we keep people's homes warm and safe and dry and so forth through all kinds of weather. Roofs do need to be replaced from time to time, and that old roofing material needs to find a home. So that's something that we've really focused on, and over the years that I've been part of our effort, we've pushed that recovery percentage of roofing waste up quite significantly.
Oh, incredible. Can you also talk to me a little bit about sort of GAF's international efforts?
Yeah, the company has really been growing internationally. We now have much more of a presence in Europe than we used to. We've partnered with a company called Cplast, for example, and I think that's going to continue to grow for us. And I know the international presence of LEED is very significant, and I expect that will help us.
Fantastic. And we were talking a moment ago before the cameras rolled about this is your 9th Greenbuild.
Yes.
And what does Greenbuild mean to you after all these years?
It's funny, I was joking with Alex Wilson yesterday, of course, as a Greenbuild legend, how we see the same people every year. But in a way, that's really rewarding. This is when we get together and we kind of work through the problems and so forth. And I think every year we've gotten better at the show, and I think the show has also gotten better too. And this year in LA, it's really great. The show is jumping, and I think our message around cool cities is really resonating here too.
Yeah. Have you heard about LEED Cities that was announced yesterday? What's
your
opinion about it?
Well, look, I think, so from what I understand, you were working with 10 cities to get started, and I think that's going to really move the needle. In my work, working at the city level is extremely effective, and mayors are people they're executives who can really get things done. We're jazzed to be part of that.
Oh, fantastic. Marty, thank you so much.
Absolutely, Joe. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here at the show.
Great.